Today I'll be walking you through the Video Assets tab, which includes the mezzanine file, the captions, and the trailer. Check out our mezzanine requirements page for a list of quality control software you can use to help ensure your files meet our audio and video specifications. Be sure that the audio and video durations in your mezzanine file match, and always choose constant frame rate instead of variable frame rate. Click Browse to upload your mezzanine and choose a language that matches your audio. Remember, the mezzanine language or the captions language must match the title metadata language. Moving on to captions. Choose a frame rate that aligns with the mezzanine file, and make sure you check out our captions requirements page to download a collection of sample files to help learn proper formatting and to familiarize yourself with our quality checks prior to uploading. The biggest takeaway for captions is that each location has slightly different requirements. All titles in the US require a separate English captions file. Titles in the UK require English audio or English captions. Titles in Germany require German audio or German captions. And titles in Japan require Japanese audio or burnt-in Japanese subtitles. We currently do not support separate Japanese caption files. Click Browse to upload your captions file and make sure you select the corresponding language. Last is the optional trailer, which is only available for standalone content. Make sure this is under 4 minutes in duration and doesn't include any call to action or Amazon references. Click Save when you're ready to move on to the Availability tab. Make sure you keep this window open while the assets are uploading.